Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I think we have waited enough to give gap to those that are late to join us. So let's get started. Once again, I greet you all, ladies and gentlemen. I trust and believe that we are fine. Um, so this morning we are going to get into our training. Let me hear if you can hear me. I'm trying to check my microphone. If you can hear me, if my network is okay, kindly give me one in the chat. If my network is okay, if you can hear me, please give me one in the chat. Kindly give me one in the chat just to make sure that we are starting at the same boat. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you for joining us this morning. Yesterday we learned about the market trend. Okay, we learned about the market movement. So we saw two types of trends, and then we saw one sideways market, right? So we saw about the uptrend, we looked at the downtrend, and then we looked at the ranging or the sideways market. Okay, so today we are going to look at an application that we normally use that helps us when we are doing our technical analysis. Remember, this is technical analysis, all right? Yes, we are doing what we call technical analysis. We need to understand that. So we are going to introduce an app, especially to those that are joining us for the first time or that are new, a little bit new in the business, and they want to learn extra information or extra knowledge about trading. So we are going to introduce an app that we normally use here when we meet for our technical analysis. And that application is called Trading View. Okay, the application is called Trading View. So I'm going to share my screen and we are going to get started with the application called Trading View. All right, I believe that you are able to see my screen. I believe that my screen is visible on your side. All right, so you are going to go to your Play Store. You're gonna go to your Play Store. If you are using the other gadget, then you can go to your App Store. All right, but if you are using Android, you're gonna go to your Play Store. When you come to your Play Store, this is the store where you are going to find applications. All right, this is the store where you're gonna come and buy an application using your data. When you download, you are buying an application for use. So you're gonna come here and then you are going to look for an application called Trading View. All right, you're gonna look for an application called Trading View. So you're gonna tap there on the search button. When you tap there on the search button, then you are going to type in Trading View. The moment you type in trading, probably it is going to appear. Yeah, yes, it is going to appear. That is the Trading View application. All right, that is the Trading View application. All right, so mine is appearing there. I will just tap on it. As you can see, here it is. I will just tap on it. Then we open the application. All right, then we're gonna open the application. All right, here it is. Here it is. Then it tells me to open it. Here is my Trading View application. All right, then I'm gonna tap on it to open it because it is already installed. If it is not installed, it is going to show you this word here to install it. All right, you need to click on install, then you're gonna install the application. Once it's installed, then it will be showing you open. Okay, all right. I know this is not something that one is going to struggle with, because even when you are downloading applications like WhatsApp, you also do the same. You come and look for the app, you install it, then after that you open. All right. So let's open this application and then see what is needed of us to do on the app so that we can start using it. So I'm clicking on the application. I'm gonna click on the application. All right, when you click on the application, probably if it is your first time, okay, if it is your first time, it's gonna ask you to register. It's gonna ask you to register. Okay, you're gonna need to register with your email. Okay, with your email, and then you're gonna create a password for it. Okay, as you can see mine here. Okay, as you can see mine there. Okay, so you are going to register on the app using your email address, and then you're gonna create a password for it that you will use to log in if you happen that you have logged out. If you happen that you have logged out, then you're gonna need that password. As you can see here on the bottom, it says sign out. Okay, can you see there? It says sign out. Once I sign out, when I come and tap on my trading view, it's gonna ask me to log in. All right, it's gonna ask me to log in. But right now, I don't normally sign out. I am always signed in. Okay, so you're gonna be asked to register. You just need to get in your email address, and then you create a password for it for you to be able to log into the application. Is that okay? Before we move further, is that okay? Are we still friends? Or maybe I'm moving very fast. Are we still friends? If we are still friends, give me one in the chat. If we are still friends, give me one in the chat. If we are still friends, give me one in the chat. If you did not understand, please say what I should do. Where should I help you to understand? Where should I help you to understand? I know that there are new people here that we need to move with them at their pace. Yes, I understand that. But if you don't understand, please don't hide in the group. Okay, don't hide in the group, because we are learning. This is a classroom. So make sure that you exercise your right of learning, which is asking when you don't understand. Okay, so it seems all of us, we are okay. We are okay. Oppo A83. Oppo 8, is it A83? Your hand is up. No. Okay, people, they are asking something that is ahead. I haven't gone to the setting. I haven't gone to how to use it. I have only taught you how do you go about it. Okay, so just relax. We're gonna go to how do you set it up. We're gonna go to how do you set it up. The training today is only about trading view, so don't worry about it. Okay, do you want to subscribe? If you want to subscribe, you will subscribe. You are going to pay. If you want to subscribe, there is a subscription fee. All right, but we normally use the free version of the trading view. All right, we normally use the free version of the trading view. Someone says I should go back, I should go over again. Okay, let me come back here. Come to your Play Store. Okay, come to your Play Store, and then tap on this arrow here, on this search button there, that search button. Then type in trading view. Okay, type in trading view. When you type in trading view, it is going to appear. Then after that, you click on it. As you can see, mine is here. Here is my trading view is appearing there. All right. So when I open on it, here it is. It tells me open because I have installed it. Can you see here? It tells me open because I have already installed it. But if you don't have it among your apps, it is going to tell you install like this. It's going to ask you to install. Then you're going to click install. When you install it, then it's going to ask you to open now because it is ready. It has been installed on your phone. All right. Then you're going to click open. So we're going to click my open here together. Then we go to my trading view. Then I'm clicking on open. When I click on open, I'm saying when you are doing it for the first time, it's gonna ask you to register with an email, okay? With an email, and you're gonna create a password, all right? So just follow the instructions that I'm telling you. Register with the email and then create a password for it. When you create a password for it together with the email, then it's gonna give you this page to show that now you are on the app. You are registered on the app. It's gonna be like that. All right. So you can see that. Oh, I'm signing out. Okay, I have signed out. I'll try to sign in. I hope I remember my password. I did press there by mistake. Okay. So when you signed in, when you are signing in, then you see it's asked me to sign in here. Can you see now? So let me sign in. All right. Maybe for learning purposes as well. Let me sign in for learning purposes. Okay. Can I stop sharing my screen first? Let me stop sharing my screen. Then I sign in. Then we go together there. Just a minute. I'm signing in. Okay. All right. So let me share my screen. Okay. I hope my screen is visible. So let's go to the app. I said you are here on Play Store. You are here on Play Store or App Store. Then you're gonna look for the application called TradingView. Okay. When you are doing it for the first time, you're gonna install it. But if you have already installed it, you're gonna click open. Now, when you click open, here it is. All right. So it is showing you subscription. We're not going to subscribe here. When you click on subscription, it means you want to look for a paid version of this app. This app has got a paid version. All right. But we normally use the free version because it's only for training. It is enough for our training. So this is your menu. This is your menu. But now let's come here on the watch list. You're going to see that the app is having a menu. It is having ideas. It is having explore. It is having a chat, and it is having a watch list. Okay. It is having a watch list, a chat, explore, idea, and menu. Currently, we are on the menu. All right. Now we want to go to the watch list. We want to go to the watch list. All right. Now we are going to settings now. We are going to settings. We have already started our settings. What do we do when we come here? So let's go together. I'm clicking on the menu. All right, I'm clicking on the menu. Now, when you click on, I'm clicking on the watch list. When you click on the watch list, can you see that I do have two watch lists that are visible? I do have this watch list and this watch list, and there is the red watch list here. But this is what I want you to do. When you are doing it for the first time, this page is going to be empty, or either it's gonna have mixed list. When I say mixed list, you are going to see that there is stocks, there is forex, there is crypto. Okay, the mixture of the pairs here, the mixture of the pairs here, you are going to see that there is stocks, there is forex, there is all those things, they are here. But what we want to align here, we want to create our watch list according to the pairs that we are trading in RoyalQ. We want to create pairs that we are trading in RoyalQ. All right. So I'm not going to remove my watch list here because right now TradingView has changed. All right. TradingView has changed. It is now giving you a maximum of 30 coins or 30 pairs per watch list. Yet in the beginning, you could add all the coins that we are trading in RoyalQ on one watch list. So if I try to remove here, it means I'm taking myself out of that service. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this. I'm going to use the red watch list for training purposes. I want you to look closely here. I want to create a watch list. How do you create a watch list? Okay. How do you create a watch list? That is the first step we are doing here. I want you to pay close attention. All right. I'm going to take you step by step. All right. So we want to create a watch list first. Now I'm going to click on the red watch list. I'm going to remove all the coins that you are seeing on the red watch list because here it is only for training purposes. All right. So I am deleting all these coins. I'm removing them. Okay. This is how I delete. You just press it to your right. Okay. To your left. You just scroll it to your left, then you're gonna see the delete button there. This is what I'm doing. So you just do like that, then you click the dustbin there, then the coin is going to disappear. All right. So I'm removing this watch list under the red watch list so that I can show you how do you add the watch list, or how do you make your watch list. Remember, we are putting only the coins that we are trading in RoyalQ. Why? Because we want to monitor them before we pick a signal. Before we come up with a signal, we want to monitor those coins that we are trading with our amazing robot. All right. Okay. Can you see how it is looking like? Okay. That is how it should be looking like when you are creating a watch list. Okay. So I am going to create the watch list. How do I do it? Can you see here where it says add symbol here? Because it is empty, it is going to show you add symbol. But if I was having one coin or one pair, okay, if I was having one pair, I could use the plus button here on the corner here. Can you see this plus button? When I click there, it's gonna take me to add a symbol. Adding a symbol, it means putting a pair that you want to make as a watch list. So I'm clicking on the add symbol. Okay. So when I click on the add symbol, can you see what the screen is giving me? Can you see? This is the mixture. Can you see there is crypto here? There is stock, there is gold. All right. Can you see there? Can you see? Can you see? So you need to choose the coins that we are trading in RoyalQ. So you can come to your RoyalQ application. If you are not familiar with the coins, you can come to your RoyalQ application. Then you look for all the coins that RoyalQ is displaying here on the home page. All these coins, can you see them? All these coins. All right. So you pick all of these coins, you take them to your watch list one by one. You cannot add two. You cannot add two at once. You take one by one. So these are the coins that we are going to add on our watch list. Why? Remember, we are trading these coins with our robot. So we want to track them. We want to monitor them. Okay? That is where the signals are generated. The signals that we trade, they are generated from this watch list. Okay? So we're going to come here. We are going to put the watch list. Now, the first coin that we are going to add here, we are going to add Bitcoin, which is BTC. Okay? So the moment you type BTC, you need to type BTC USDT. Okay? BTC USDT. It should be that pair. All right? So you are going to see the Bitcoin in different applications or in different exchanges. You can see the Bitcoin in Binance, the Bitcoin in KuCoin, you can see the Bitcoin in OX, you can see the Bitcoin in Bybit, all right? But I want you to choose the Bitcoin that we are trading in Binance, okay? Add the Bitcoin that we are trading in what? In Binance. Most of the coins that we are trading, they are in Binance, okay? All the coins also that we are trading in Binance, you can find them in OKX. Remember, we do have this exchange, all right? But let's use Binance because Binance is universal. The coins that RoyalQ is trading here, they are also found here. So let's pick Binance to be universal, all right? So we are going to choose BTC USDT that is in Binance. So how do you add? There is this plus sign here. Can you see the plus sign there? When you tick on that plus sign, it is going to mark like that. Can you see? It has marked. Once it has marked, it means that coin has been added to your watch list. That pair has been added to your watch list. Let's come here. Let's come to your watch list. Can you see? There is BTC. It has been added. Okay? We want to add another pair or another symbol. We click add. We look for Ethereum. Let's look for ETH. ETH-USDT. ETH-USDT. We are picking the one in Binance. We're going to click the plus sign there, like I said in the first place here, so that we add ETH-USDT. I'm clicking there. It's been added. When you come here, you are going to see that Ethereum is added. Let's add another coin, Matic. Let's look for Matic USDT. Let's look for Matic. Yes, let's look for Matic. There is Matic USDT in the spot market. It should be in the spot wallet. All right. Remember, our robot trade in the spot. So we are going to add Matic. It's added. We can look for another coin. Okay. Which other coins are we trading? For example, we can add GMT. We do have GMT that we are trading, right? Okay, so we can add GMT there in the spot. Okay, I am adding GMT. What other coin are we trading? Let's say WLD. Okay, the world coin, WLD USDT. All right, WLD USDT. There it is. We are adding. All right. What other coin can we add here? What other coin can we add here? BEC USDT. Don't hate me when I mention the word BEC. Don't hate me. Don't hate me, okay? Don't hate me. All right. Yes. So there is BEC we are adding. All right. What other coin can we add? Let's add Acro. Okay. Don't hate me when I mention Acro, okay? Don't hate me when I mention Acro. All right. Yes. I'm innocent. So there is Acro we are adding to our list. So you can pick one by one by one, till all these coins that I was showing you here, all these coins here, all these coins, add them to your list, all of them, put them there. Okay, put them there. So this is what is going to happen when your watch list has reached the number of 30. When your watch list has reached a total number or a total pair of 30, then TradingView is going to tell you that it is full. It's not going to allow you to add more. What do? You are going to create another watch list. Can you see on this place where I put watch list and then this another watch list? These are two watch lists. Okay, these are two watch lists. When I click here, there are coins under here. All right, there are coins under there. I think this is my first watch list before TradingView started to tell us to pay. All right, so you could add all the coins on one watch list. All right, so once that one is full, then you can create another watch list and add the remaining pairs, because you cannot put all the pairs on one watch list. I hope I'm making sense. All right, I hope I'm making sense. But I was using the red watch list. So we do have these coins now. We're gonna just go with these ones for learning purposes. That is how you add your watch list. You can name your watch list. You can name your watch list. You can name your watch list. Okay, you can name your watch list. You can name your watch list. Can you see there? You can name your watch list. I've got the red watch list, I've got the watch list, and I've got Will Crypto. Those are the names of my watch list. So you can name your watch list. All right, let me come to Zoom and find out if we are together on how to add the coins. How to add the coins on the watch list. How to add the coins on the watch list. Are we still friends? Anybody with a problem there? Anybody with a query on adding the watch list or creating the watch list? Anybody with a query? Anybody with an issue? I see Leader Doris Great, your hand is up. Anybody with an issue before I ask Leader Doris Great to unmute? If it is a question. If it is a question. Anybody with an issue? I'm checking in the chat if there is questions there. I'm checking in the hands. Oh, Leader Doris, great. You are asked, probably this is the question that you wanted to ask. You said, can you find HTX in your TradingView when you are adding? Yes, some coins are going to appear that it is in hobby. Okay, some coins are going to appear that it is in hobby. But if it does not appear, just pick the ones in Binance. Pick the ones in Binance. Why are we using Binance? Because Binance has got a lot of coins that we are trading. So most of the coins that are in Binance, you can also find in other exchanges that RoyalQ is trading in. That's why we are choosing Binance. All right. So some of the coins they are going to show, like KuCoin, is it KuCoin? Is gonna show KuCoin. Is gonna show Bybit. Is gonna show OKX. All right. Yes. So if you don't find HTX, or you don't find hobby, just use Binance in general. Just use Binance in general. All right. Someone is asking, how do you remove the pair if you want to delete it? How do you remove the pair? Okay, let me allow Leader Doris. Leader Doris, is that a question? Let me allow you to unmute. You can ask your question, my leader, before we proceed.
Thank you, my leader. That was the question. I already have all my coins in my watch list on Binance. I was thinking to make a hobby on, but it's not possible. There is no HTX.
Okay, all right.
We have a watch list on Binance.
Okay, no, thank you so much. All right, so let's proceed. The idea is just to have a watch list. So whether the coin is in Binance, whether the coin is in Huobi, whether the coin is in KuCoin, all right? But let's use Binance. Binance is almost everywhere. When you type in the name of the pair, Binance is going to reflect, one of the exchanges is going to reflect there. So use Binance. Don't suffer. Don't suffer, okay? Don't suffer. All right, so let's continue. Now, let's come back now here. Okay, someone was asking, how do you remove a pair? If you want to remove a pair, for example, I want to delete Acro from the list. I can just pull my screen like this, okay? Just hold on the pair. Now I have tapped there. Let me come back. Okay, just tap on the pair. Just scroll to your left. You're going to have something like that. When it appears like that, then click the dustbin button. Can you see the dustbin there? When you click the dustbin, the coin is going to disappear. That's how you delete it. That is the easiest way to delete. Okay, just scroll to your left. Just hold on the token or on the pair, scroll it to your left side. Then this side is going to appear like this. Then you can delete. All right. Now, that is done about the watch list. Now, I want us to look at it this way now. When you come to RoyalQ, you are going to see that we do have the change button here, how the coins are performing. Okay, we use this button to find how the coins are performing. The change button. There also in TradingView, we do have the change button. How do we sort out our coins in terms of their performance? Okay, that's the reason why I came here. So let's go back to our watch list. Now, I want us to use this icon first. This icon, we should know what is on this icon. All right, those three dots. Those three dots. So we're gonna go there. We click. Can you see it says edit and it says sort by? Okay, there is edit and sort by. When you click on edit, can you see? If you want to remove a pair, if you want to edit a pair, that is another way. You click edit. All right, but we are not editing here. I want us to use the sort by button. The sort by button. When you click on sort by, it is going to give you all this list here. Do you want to sort your coins according to their symbol? As you know that each and every coin has got a symbol. For example, Bitcoin, it has got that B. Okay, so do you want to sort your coins according to their symbol? Or do you want to sort the coins according to their last price? Do you want to sort the coins according to change? Okay, or do you want to sort the coins according to percentage change? Or do you want to sort them according by extended hours? Or either you want to sort them according to their market cap or either their volume. Okay, so we normally sort them according to percentage change. Okay, we want to see which one is doing well, which one is doing poor. Like what we do with RoyalQ. We want to see the coins that are in red, we want to see the coins that are in green. So that is that button. I want you to make sure that you know how do you sort your coins according to their percentage change. So when you click the percentage change, the coins are going to be sorted according to their percentage change. Okay, you can see that these coins, all of them, of course, they are in red, but see their percentage is starting from the smallest going to the biggest. Okay, starting from the smallest going to the biggest in terms of percentage change. All right, that is that button. Is that okay? Can I move to another button? Can I move to another button? Are we okay? How do you sort your coins in terms of percentage change? Do you know where you can do that? Are we still okay? Are we still okay? Are we still okay? I think we are okay. I think we are okay. I think we are okay. But if you are not okay, please, you should indicate in the chat. All right. So we are still friends. Let's go back to the trading view. Okay, I stopped sharing my screen. Let me share my screen again. Share. Okay, there we go. All right. So let's go to our trading view. Let's go to our trading view. So we have looked at those three dots there. That is an icon that you need to know what is here. All right, what is there? Okay, so I said that this plus button is for you when you want to add another pair. If you click on it, it's gonna take you there. Can you see that plus sign? All right, it is the same, the add symbol button. The plus sign on the top corner right, it is used the same way as add symbol button. Okay, now let's come here. Let's come here on the chart, because we need to set now our list or our coins. I want us to click on the chart. I want us to click on the chart. Okay, I want us to click on the chart. But now let us use our watch list, which is the red watch list. Okay, so I'm gonna open Bitcoin. Then it's going to give us this chart. It's gonna give us this chart. All right, it's gonna give us this chart. All right, now I want you to come here with me. When you click the coin and it opens up, it shows you extra icons that you cannot see them when you are only on the watch list. When you are only on the watch list, can you see there? Those other icons, they are no longer visible. But when you click on the chart, those icons are visible. So I want you to come here with me. I want you to come here with me. I want us to sort our time according to your zone. Okay, where you are located. I want us to look at the location. Where are you located? You need to set your trading view according to your location. All right, are we together? Are we following? Are we following? Are we following? We're gonna come to this area. We're gonna come to this area. We're gonna come to this area. I just want you to come with me here. I want you to come with me here on this area. Okay, I'm trying to navigate because sometimes I forget. Sometimes I forget. So I'm trying to navigate so that we go together. Probably it's on this part. Okay, I think it's on here. Let me come back here on the three dots. Then we click on chart type, I'm sure. Is it on chart type? I'm forgetting now. It is on chart type, or it is on chart settings. Then when you come on chart settings, where do you find the location now? See, now I'm forgetting now. Someone need to remind me in the chat. Somebody need to remind me in the chat. Let me come back in the chat. Maybe someone has already written here. Let me come in the chat. I want us to do our time zone. I want us to do our time zone, but it is on the chart setting. Let me come back. It is on the chart setting. It is on the chart setting. Chart type, not on chart type. I'm missing it. Someone should remind me here. Someone should remind me here. Someone should remind me. I think it's on chart setting here. Oh, okay, okay. Now I have remembered. It is here. Okay. It should be here. Is someone in the chat already? Let me check. Probably someone is giving me direction in the chat. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, yeah, I should click on the chat. Okay. I should click on the chat under the settings. Okay. All right, let's go there. I want us to do our time zone. Because TradingView is going to display according to where you are located. Okay, according to where you are located. So we are going to go to the setting. We're gonna do that on the setting. Okay. The chart type. Date and time format. Okay, let me share my screen. Just a moment. Okay. Coming back to Zoom. Share screen. Then we go to let's go to our app. Then we come on here. Then we come on the three dots. Okay, here we come on, is it chart setting or chart type? Is it chart setting or chart type? Leader Julius, are you here? I'm getting lost here now.
Tap on chart setting.
On chart setting, okay. And
there
then,
you go.
Okay.
You have seen it?
Yes.
Oh, no, you want scales. Go to symbol. Let me see if I can.
This confuses me
now
a
the
bit.
difference is.
I'm using a phone. I'm used to my tablet, but I'm using my phone here. But I know some members knows here. Where did they move it?
Now go to, just do this. Go back a little bit.
On chart setting.
Tap on chart setting. Tap on chart. No. Yes, now on top there is a word scale. On top there is a word scale. Tap on the arrow.
On the word scale.
scales or arrow on top. Tap on symbol.
Okay, okay, here. All right, okay. All right, guys, here we go now. Sorry for that. It was confusing me here. So this is where you do your location, right? This is your time zone. Okay, let's come back here. All right, let's come back here. All right, then we're gonna click on the three dots here. All right, when you click there, then you're gonna come here. You're gonna look for chart setting. Okay, you tap here on chart setting. When you tap there, then it's gonna take you here, and you can see this arrow that says symbol here. Can you see this arrow here? Yes. When you click on that arrow, it's gonna take you to this area. Okay, then you are going to land on this page on the chart settings now. When you are here, then you need to focus on the symbol. Okay, you focus on the symbol. When you click on symbol, then you're gonna land on this page. When you land on this page, what you are looking for is your time zone. This area here. That's what you are looking for. So you need to set your time zone accordingly. Can you see I'm using Johannesburg time there? So when you click on the time there, you are going to see different time zones. All right? Different time zones here. So choose according to your location. Choose according to your location. All right? But I know most of us, we are in Africa. I know most of us, we are in Africa, East Africa. All right? So there is Nairobi there. You are going to find Nairobi there. You can use Nairobi time. Okay? I am in the South. I'm using Johannesburg time. All right? So this is where you do your time zone, your location. All right? Is that okay? This is the one that I was getting lost with. This is the area I was getting lost with. So let me come in the chat and find out if someone is not getting lost as well like me. Okay. Is that okay? Is that okay on the time zone? Setting up our time zone according to our location. Is that okay? Is that okay? Is that okay? Give me yes if we are okay. Okay. So let's continue and then navigate other areas of the trading app. All right. So we have sought out our time zone, and now we needed to know what is under here, what is under this pencil, what is under this plus sign, and what is under here. Okay? We are not doing anything about the candles that you are seeing there. No, we are only navigating the TradingView app so that you know where to touch when we start using it. Remember, we want to start using this application. So you need to know how to navigate, how to go about it. All right? So when you check here, when you click on these three dots, you can see what we were looking for there on the three dots. Okay? What we were looking for there on the three dots. So we were only looking for the time zone. We didn't do any chart type. No, we didn't do anything. We were only looking for the time zone. Okay, as simple as that. Don't do other things that we are not doing now. So let's come on the pencil here. Let's come on the pencil here. How do we make use of this pencil? When you click on the pencil, you are going to see these icons or these features coming up. Okay, let's start with the first part here, the top part. Okay, let's start with the top part. Mostly on the top part, we normally use the eraser button, or either if we are not using the eraser button, we come here where we say remove. We want to remove anything that we have done on the chart. It's either we use the eraser button or we click remove. When you click remove, it is going to ask you, for example, maybe you did some drawings on the chart. Okay, maybe you draw like support and resistance lines. You want to remove them. All right. So when you click on that area, it's gonna ask you, do you want to remove drawings? Meaning to say, what you were drawing on your chart. Okay. For example, maybe you added indicators. Time is gonna come where Leader Julius will teach us about indicators. How do you add indicators to your trading view chart? Okay. So do you want to remove drawings, or you want to remove indicators, or you want to remove both? You want to remove indicators and drawings at the same time. Okay. So you're going to click and remove whatever you want to remove. All right. But if you want to use this button, for example, you want to use this button, erase. When you click erase, it is going to be highlighted there. It's going to be highlighted. So whatever you're going to touch on the screen, it is going to be erased once this button is highlighted like that. Okay? Once that button is highlighted like that, then whatever you are going to touch, it is going to be removed. That is the erase button. Okay? So let's go back there again and then look at tools. There are tools that we are going to use when we are analyzing the pairs. When we are doing our technical analysis, TradingView gives us these tools. Now, we do have the first part here. The first part here, we do have our favorites. When I say favorites, what do I mean? You are going to choose the tools that you are going to frequently use. The tools that you're going to frequently use, you're going to make them your favorite. All these tools that are under favorites, all these tools, they are down here. They are down here. Can you see? They are under trend lines. If they are not under trend lines, probably they are under Gann and Fibonacci. Okay? If they are not under Gann and Fibonacci, you can scroll down here. You're going to find geometric shapes. Okay? If they are not under geometric shapes, and probably they are under annotation. Can you see there? The list goes on up to patterns. Not only that, but there is also forecasting and measurement. Okay, we do have forecasting and measurement. The last part is the visuals, but on visuals, we don't use anything because it's all about emojis, stickers, and icons. All right, so you can see under forecasting and measurement, what did I make my favorite? Under forecasting and measurement, what did I make my favorite? I made my favorite price range. I made my favorite date range. I made my favorite date and price range. The question is, how do I make this to be my favorite? I'm going to remove like this. I'm gonna remove. Okay, it says remove from favorite. Can you see? Remove from favorite. How did I do that? How did I do that? How did I do that? Okay, how did I do that? I just hold, I just press and hold. The moment I press and hold, it's gonna ask me to remove from my favorite. If I tick, it is going to be removed from my favorite. Even this one, I hold and I press and hold. The moment I do that, it is removed. The star is removed. The same applies to this one. I remove. All right. So I want to add them to be my favorite. I'm going to also press and hold. It's going to ask me add to favorite. Then I say yes. I click on it. Add to favorite. I press and hold. I'm going to add it to favorite. The same applies. The tools that you want to be right on top, so that you don't scroll like this when you're looking for a tool. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? You are looking for a tool to use, but it is down right here. So you need to come here and look for it. No, make them your favorites. Then they're going to come here on top. All of them that you have made your favorites, they will come here on top. So all these ones that are having stars, they are my favorites. They will come here on top. So whenever I want to measure, I want to do anything, I don't go down right here to look for the tool. It is already on top here. It is already on top there. Then I'll just pick the tool. For example, I want to measure price. Okay, I want to measure price. I'm going to click on the price range tool. Okay, I want to click on the price range tool. I want to use the rectangle. I'm going to click on the rectangle. It will appear on the screen. All right, it will appear on the screen. So that is how you make the tools your favorite under this pencil here, under the pencil there. Okay, under this pencil here, they are tools. So when we start using them, don't ask me where are you getting those tools. Okay, when Leader Julius started teaching with these tools, don't ask where are you getting those tools. I have shown you where do you get them. They are under here. They are under here. You scroll them there. Okay, so you choose the ones that you want to use. So these ones mostly, personally, I use them. Okay, but you're going to find that in our teaching, you are going to learn how to use the parallel channel, of which is going to be your favorite parallel channel, horizontal line, trend line, okay, the rectangle, the price range, okay, yes, and this other tool called the fib retracement tool. We normally use them, okay, the date and date plus date and price range. Yes, some of us, we don't use them. We normally use the price range, but I have put them there as my favorite. So you are going to choose according to which ones do you normally use them. But the ones that I was showing you mostly, even when Leader Julius comes in, you will see that he'll be picking these tools to use. The horizontal line, the parallel channel, the rectangle, the price range, the trend line. You'll be picking all these tools to use. All right. Any question there? Are we still friends? Give me one in the chat if you have understood that. Give me one. Give me one. Give me one. Give me one. Just navigate with me the areas that we mostly use. Don't touch or don't tamper, don't tap on areas that are not important. Don't tap on areas that are not important, unless you are just doing it for inquisitive sake. But we are only showing you areas that you're gonna need when you are using the TradingView app. That's all. Some of the things are not important because we don't use them. So it doesn't make sense that I should be explaining those areas. No. The areas that we are tapping together, they are the areas that we are going to use when we are using the application. All right. Okay, so let me come back here and then look at this plus sign symbol. This plus sign symbol. Where is my cursor? This plus sign symbol here. What is here? What is there? Let's go together and navigate. So on the plus sign symbol, you are going to find that. But normally when we come here, we normally use these two areas. These two areas, indicators, which is FX indicators, and then drawings. Okay? When we come on the plus sign, we normally use the FX indicators and drawings. This is the phone version. When you are using a tablet or a computer, it displays different. The tools, they are on the side. Okay, but this is the phone version. All right. So on drawings, it is still the same. Can you see this pencil that is appearing there? Okay, so when you click on drawings, you're going to find the tools that are under the pencil, of which I've already shown you. If I click there, can you see we are coming back here? This is the same area where we were. Okay? On drawings. But I want us to click on FX indicators. When you click on FX indicators, it means you want to put an indicator on your chart. So you're gonna come under FX indicators. I'm saying this because Leader Julius will come and teach us indicators, different types of indicators. How do you add them to your chart? Where do you find them? So you come and click on indicators. Okay? When you come and click on indicators, you are going to search for the name of the indicator. Okay? You're gonna search for the name of the indicator. If you are having a list of indicators that are your favorites, you're gonna click under favorites. Okay? You're gonna click under favorites. But if you don't have favorites, you're gonna click on search. When you click on search, then the indicator is going to appear. For example, let me just do as an example. When I click on search, I want to look for an indicator called RSI. I know I'm going ahead of you, but I'm just using this as an example. Okay, how do you look for an indicator? We've got an indicator called stochastic RSI. The moment I type in the name, it appears. Okay, the indicator appears. Here is the name of the indicator that I'm looking for. So if I want to add this indicator on the chart, I'm gonna tap on it. But the essence of opening this button, I wanted you to see what is it for. The plus button, what is it for? That's where you're gonna look for your indicators. So just know that when Leader Julius starts teaching about indicators, he will be coming on this area and pick an indicator. So don't ask, where are you getting those indicators? They are here under FX indicators. FX indicators. Is it okay? Are we still friends? Give me 2 in the chat if we are still friends. We are navigating the TradingView application. Tomorrow, we are going to move from here and go to something else. Tomorrow, we're going to move from here and go to something else. So if you don't know how to use your TradingView, then you'll be asking those questions tomorrow, yet I'm already done with it. So that is the plus sign. That is under the plus sign. Okay? Now, let's come here and look at this area. When you come to your chart here, there is this area that shows the name of the pair as well as the time. Okay? This is the time frame. This is the time frame. When I click here, you are going to see different time frame or time interval. In which time frame are we analyzing the pair? Is it in 4 hours? Is it in 1 hour? Is it in 30 minutes? Is it in 1 week? Is it in 1 day? Where do you find that? Here. You find it here. Okay? So I'm tapping on it. Can you see there? It is showing us the date range and the interval. So if I want to analyze the coin in 4 hours, I'm gonna tap on 4 hours. I will tap here. This is 4 hours. If I want to check how the coin is performing in 1 hour, I'm gonna tap on 1 hour. Do I want to check in 30 minutes? I'm gonna tap on 30 minutes. Okay? Here there is the 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, up to 12 months there. Can you see? So if you want to check your interval, which time frame do you want to analyze the coin? Just like what we normally say, analyze the coin in a longer time frame. So how do you put in the longer time frame? You tap on that icon. So this is 1 day. If I want it in 4 hours, I'm going to tap on the 4 hours. If I want it to 1 hour, I'm going to tap on the 1 hour. If I want to check it in 30 minutes, I'll tap on 30 minutes. Is that okay? Is that okay? Are we still together? Anybody with a question? Anybody with a question? Where should I repeat a bit? Haji, you are telling me I should repeat a bit. Where? Which part? Which part should I repeat a bit? Be specific so that I can do it for you. Haji, you are asking me that I should repeat a bit. Where? Be specific. Be specific. So we have navigated almost the TradingView application. We have navigated almost the TradingView application, especially the most important areas where we need to use when we are using the application. All right? Yes, when we are using the application. So tomorrow, we're going to start looking at this thing here that you are seeing on the screen called candles. We're going to start navigating this. We're going to start learning about these candles. All right? We're going to start looking at the candlestick anatomy. All right? So you cannot learn about the candlestick anatomy if you don't know how to bring the candles here on the TradingView application, your chart. So that is the reason why we need this tool, because we want to learn about the market analysis, which is in a technical form. Are we together? Anyone with a question? If you want to explore, you can explore here. Let me just finish up because I have almost done. I have almost exhausted. So there is the watch list here, your watch list. When you click on your watch list, the coins that you have added, when you click on the chart, it means you are picking a coin or a pair from your watch list. Then it's going to display on your chart with the candles. All right. Then if you want to explore, you can see that there are different types of markets that you are going to look at. All right. You can see we do have stocks. We do have crypto. Okay. Can you see there on top there? Under overview, we do have stocks. We do have crypto. We do have Forex. We do have futures. We do have bonds. Okay. Yes. If you want to explore different types of markets, there are also stories there that you can read. That is under explore. Okay. Can you see there? If you want to read about stocks, if you want to read about bonds, you want to read about Forex, you can explore. You can go on the explore button. Okay. You can go on the explore button. All right. Here on ideas, when you click on ideas, you are going to see writings. Okay. Analysis. Okay. It's either of Bitcoin or either it is of gold or either of something, anything that is on this market. People, they are doing their analysis and they are in an idea form. It is an idea of somebody. Okay. It is an idea of somebody. So you can come and read. You can come and read. But remember, this is different types of market. So you're going to find stocks. You're going to find gold. You're going to find all this stuff here under ideas. All right. Under ideas. All these things are here. You can come and read. Okay. But here on the menu, you know what is on the menu? That is your profile on TradingView. Your profile on TradingView. Okay. Maybe let me just touch here on the theme. There are people that does not like the bright color. They want the dark color. You can come here and tap on the theme. Okay. There are people that are having challenge with the eyes. You can change your theme there. Okay. If you don't want the light color, you can choose the dark color. For example, when you tap on the dark color, your TradingView is going to be dark like that. Can you see? It is going to be dark like that. If you are someone who is having problem with eyes and you don't want the bright color, which is the light color, then you can change it to the dark mode. Okay. You're going to find that under your menu. Okay. So click on theme and then change the theme of your color. change the theme of your color depending on what you want. So I'm just showing you there. You can change the theme. All right. So let me put back my light color there. Okay. Is that helpful? Maybe someone was also looking for that. Is that helpful? Did it help you? Is that okay? Why do I call them pairs? Because they are two different pairs. They are two different pairs. There is USDT pair and the other pair. For example, when I come back here, okay, when I come back here, there is Bitcoin. There is Bitcoin and USDT. USDT is a pair, is a coin, okay? It is a coin. Bitcoin is also a coin on its own. So there are two pairs. That's why when you come to Royal Q here, they are also in a form of a pair. They are in a form of a pair. Can you see there is the name of the coin, and the currency that you are using to trade the coin. Here it is currency here. Can you see there on top? It is currency. And the currency that we are using is USDT. So on the side here, on the right side, it is the currency. On the left side, it is the coin. That's why I'm calling them a pair. They are two. We are using USDT to trade this. That's why you have money or your capital. It is in a form of USDT. But we are using USDT to trade this other coin. If we want the currency to be in Bitcoin, it means our money should be in a Bitcoin currency and we'll be trading the other pair on it. For example, when I click on BTC, can you see there? There is XRP stroke BTC. It means if I wanted to trade in this currency, my money should be in BTC form, then I'll be trading XRP using BTC. So these are currencies. That's why I'm calling them pair. Yes. I don't know if I've answered that question. Someone was saying, why do I call them pair? They are two. They are two. Okay. Yes, you pay for TradingView if you want the other tools. Yes. If you want the other extra tools. That's why I was saying that when you are adding your pair here, when you are adding your watch list, when it reaches 30, when you are having a list of 30, TradingView is going to tell you if you want to add more than that, they will take you to a paid version. They will take you to a paid version. For example, when you click here on the subscription, it is going to show you. Can you see? Can you see? This is the paid version of TradingView. So if you want to subscribe to the paid version, then you're going to come here and look for the plan that you want. And it's going to tell you what is under that plan. Okay? For example, I am in South Africa. It is showing me in rands. Can you see my money? It is in rands because of my location. So they are giving me the plan according to my currency. So if I choose this pair or I choose this plan, what am I going to benefit? These are the benefits if I choose. So I'm saying we don't use the paid version. That is, if you want to, you can do so. But you can still analyze the market without the paid version. We just want you to know how to analyze the market. So you don't need the paid version. No. The tools that they are giving us for free, they are enough. Okay? So if you are going to do extra, for example, you want to put indicators, you discover that when you want to put more than 2 indicators, it will tell you to pay. It means you are only limited to 2 indicators on your screen. If you want to add 3 indicators, it's going to tell you to pay. So remove 1 and put 1. Remove 1 and put 1. Remove 1 and put 1. You cannot use more than 3 indicators. If you want to, then take the paid version. I think we have exhausted our lesson for today. Anyone with a question? Anyone with a question? I don't see a question in the chat. I don't see any question in the chat. So we're gonna end here today. Jonas. Okay, there are people that are raising questions here. Okay, let me pick the question. Let me take the questions. I'm gonna start with Jonas. Yes, Jonas, what is your question?
Hello?
Yes, you are audible. You can go ahead.
Okay, thank you so much, Coach Mupua, for your stunning presentation. And my question is, when we want to analyze coins in other exchanges, for example, in HTX, when I want to add the coin FTT, I couldn't add it and I couldn't find it on the list, which is not found on Binance. So how can I add FTT on the list on my trading view? When I come to Bybit, I can find the coins on the Bybit on the list, but when I come to HTX, I couldn't find most of the time. So how can I get rid of this? Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. The coin doesn't necessarily need to be in the exchange that you are trading. What matters is the coin should be in the spot market. So you can choose the one that is appearing, whether it is in Bybit, whether it is in HTX, or whether, what matters is, can you be able to find the pair? For example, you are talking about FTT. Was it FTT?
Yeah.
Yes. So there is FTT USDT. It is even in Binance Spot Market. Can you see there? So it does not necessarily need to be in the exchange you are trading. No, I was saying some of these coins that are in HTX, or they are in Bybit, or they are in OKX, most of those coins, they are already in Binance. So we are using Binance. Just choose the ones that are in Binance. If you cannot find the coin in Binance, just bring the coin here, as long as it is in the spot market. It is showing spot. Then click on it. So here is the FTT coin that you are looking for. You can add it. It does not mean that it should appear Hobby or HTX here. No. So you can just click on it. It is going to be added to your watch list. There it is. So you can open it and start monitoring if you want to start tracking it. There it is. Is that okay?
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay. All right. There is the second hand that I saw. Daton. Yes, ask your question.
Yes, my coach. Good morning.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, I want to pay, but they usually ask me the credit card. I don't have it. How can I do it?
Where are you?
I'm in Uganda.
Oh, so you want to pay, you want to use the paid version?
Yes, I want more indicators.
Or you want more indicators? Okay.
Yes.
So I think you can consult Leader Julius is gonna help you on how to do that. Because here, when I click on my paid version, they are not used. They are not giving. Yes. Yes.
He must have either Visa card or a MasterCard. There is no shortcut.
Coach Julius. Yes, for me, I have only national ID.
National ID is not a payment system. They need a Visa card. You need to open up a bank account.
Okay.
Go open up Cheaper Cash, verify
Okay,
it,
thank you. I have got it.
get a MasterCard of Cheaper Cash. I don't know whether Airtel still has a MasterCard. National ID is not enough. National ID is not a payment system. You either go and
Okay.
open up UBA bank account and they give you a Visa card, or you open
Okay.
up any bank and they give you a Visa card. These guys need a direct payment from your bank account.
Okay, thank you.
Or open Cheaper Cash, get a Visa card from Cheaper Cash. But why do you want to suffer? Me, I've existed for 2.5 years using the free version. Why do you are now going to be paying close to $22 per month, which is okay, by the way.
Okay.
But you can still use the free version and make money.
They only
Yeah,
give us
Because you know, trading is not about indicators. Even if you have 10 indicators, trading is support and resistance. If you can have
Okay,
support
thank
and
you.
resistance done well, you just need 2 indicators to confirm the movement of the market. So you put 2. When you see they are not giving you what you are looking for, you remove one, you put in another one. I don't know whether I think differently, but that's how I think.
all right. Yeah, someone says you can also use crypto to pay. Someone is giving an answer in the chat that you can also use crypto to pay if you want to subscribe to the paid version of TradingView. But look, guys, we are only showing you the easiest way to learn the technical analysis. Remember, we just want to use this app for technical analysis. So if you are someone who is having those big laptops, those big computers, then maybe probably you should be looking for the paid version. But like what Leader Julius has said, we are just making our life simple. Why should we make it hard? But anyway, it depends on what you want. Okay, yes, life is what you want. All right, yeah. So we have come to the end of our sharing. Leader Julius, someone is saying he failed to download the TradingView app on a laptop.
It
How is that?
downloads. You just need to go to your browser, type in TradingView for PC. You will get it. It's there. It will download. I don't know how I can explain that it will download, but it will.
Okay.
Someone
you
is
so
saying you
much
can
for-
pay via crypto. So someone is guiding you here. You can tap and choose. Me, I don't want to show example of paying. I don't want to lose my money that is on my card. Someone is saying here in my chat, show me, pay yours. Why? Why should I pay? No. You go, you go and pay. Yeah, I will not pay.
Okay, Coach Julius, you can wrap up. I'm done with the training for today.
You see, like okay, thank you so much. I wanted to increase this Zoom, but you see now people are now reducing. I know with time the commitment of people will go down and the numbers will get back to the normal 80, 50, 60, 70. That's why I was like, I should not increase on my repeated payments. How do you see, guys? Should I increase these numbers to 500? Because, you know, before you do something, you want to measure the consistency of the people you are dealing with. You know, sometimes you might do it and then later the numbers get back to normal. Then you have lost your money sacrificing it for other people. So I don't know, but I wanted even to clear it off just a few minutes. No, there is no 200. There's no 200. If you exceed these numbers, you are going in for 500. There's no halfway. It is full package.
Coach Julius, maybe for the sake of the business presentations that we do.
Yes, but maybe for that. But this one, 100
But
is
for
okay
this
because
for this one we can continue using this one. Yeah, I think it's okay.
all right. People can join via YouTube. But you see, people, by the way, guys, there is one thing I want us to understand. I'm not coming from a spirit of bad perspective. If you want to be successful, I want you to master the art of being consistent. If there is one thing I learned in business, is to be consistent. Be consistent. What is consistency? Consistency is doing something even when you don't feel like doing it. There are times I wake up and I'm like, today, no, I'm not, my friend. But when you feel like, yesterday I was surprised. Let me give you this story. I thought consistency doesn't pay. Yesterday, I got a call. I don't know whether Coach Mopiwa, you remember a guy by the names of Robert Burns?
Yes, very well. Where are they, those guys?
Robert Burns just came back to business yesterday, I think
Wow.
one week ago. And yesterday we made a call and he's getting started, I think, on Monday.
Wow.
One of the things that Robert Burns comes from Seattle in the United States of America. When I just started Royal Q in 2021, there's this guy made a video of me and it went viral.
Yes, I remember very well.
And it was like, yesterday I was like, but why have you decided to come back and do business with me? And it was like, man, since I have lived, he has been in network marketing for the last 35 years. And I was like, man, since I've ever existed, I have not seen someone who's consistent and resilient like you. I have so many projects, companies. He showed me so many companies and offers he has had, but he says, I'm putting all of them down, come work with you because you are very consistent. If there is someone who stays on something for a very good time, it's you. Guys, I want to tell you, this guy is a top notch. When he joined Royal Q the other previous years, in just a couple of 3 months, he had become a V3, built a number of teams. He's very good at doing presentations and he's joining our presentations starting next week. He's very knowledgeable and I've started mentoring him about cryptocurrency and we are sharing so many ideas. I want to share with you, the idea is be consistent. Be consistent. Be consistent. Don't feel like today I'm not going to learn. Yes, it looks like every day we share something, the same information, but I want to trust you, it will not be the same. Because imagine every day, me personally, I attend classes about trading. So if I do my personal trading classes, I want you also to do your personal trading classes here so that the information we learn, I promise you we shall give it to you. Okay? Today is a Tuesday. And the other day is a Wednesday. On Wednesday, I'm bringing you a special training, not here, but on the 10 a.m. presentation. And this time around, I'm going to give you, this information is going to be top notch. Please make sure you note on Wednesday, where we're going to talk about understand the crypto world. I'm bringing you top notch information that could make you champions in cryptocurrency. Maybe you are thinking about how do you become a professional in crypto, but you just follow others and you want to get this information that makes you be independent. Okay, maybe you are buying cryptocurrencies according to maybe YouTube. Someone makes a video on YouTube, you get excited and you want to buy that coin. What are those special websites that give you the information? I'll be talking about cloud.io, dunka.io, some top-notch websites that give amazing insights of certain tokens that could give you perfect entries in the market. Are you this kind of a person who hold on a token, okay, because some people are over talking about it, yet this token, maybe let me say like Solana, you are holding so tight on Solana will get to 800. You are this kind of a trader who says, I'll hold on it until it gets to 800. Then Solana rises to 120. You are in a profit of around $600. You want to be so much faithful to this coin as if you own it. Why don't you take profit make that money into another coin, wait for this coin to retrace, go in again with a long move, make another $700, wait it to retrace, go in the next move. And this could make you a lot of money than you saying, I will wait. Your goal should be to collect money. Your goal is to make profit. Your goal in cryptocurrency, ladies and gentlemen, is to make sure that you make money in a short time, okay? Make money in a short time. Achieve your goals and your dreams as this bull run is here, okay? The bull run is here, but it's not here to stay. It will come to an end. And so how are you going to maximize this period so that you don't regret all your decisions? That's said and done. See you on the next call. Today, we're going to talk about the compensation plan of Royal Q. Why is it important to build a community? Okay, the importance of a community, and how do you get rewarded once you build a community? Still this second week on the normal compensation plan, I'm still taking over as I look forward to get other leaders on board to take over these different parts. And I hope the best is yet to come. Thank you so much and good morning.